Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. This is Tanya at Side Gig Crafts. Guys, we have another 2 birthday entries today. I'm going to do 2 today so that we can get through them. I have more to pick up at the post office later. So we're going to do 2 today. This is the last couple weeks of my birthday giveaway. The due date is September 15th to have your entry postmarked. So make sure that if you're planning on participating that you get that in. And in advance, I want to thank everybody who's participated. It means the world to me that you guys are sending these things in. All I'm asking for is an ATC and a postcard. You still have time. So with that being said, let's get on to it. We have 2 today. Like I said, both of them are so pretty in their packages. Look at this tape, this washi tape. I'm going to try to save that if I can. And then look at these stickers. So I'm excited to open both. I'm going to start with this one. This one is from Linda Parent. And I'm trying to remember Lenny's craft play. I'm going to put her link in the description box, but she is super sweet and does a fantastic job. And so, yeah, I'm going to open this. I'm going to cut the top. You guys, sorry for the cat crying. She's decided that a little tote that sits next to my desk that has some crafty goodies in it that I have not yet put away yet. I haven't found its home. She has discovered for the last couple of weeks that is her spot to sleep. She finds a spot and stays there for a couple of weeks, and then she moves on and finds another one. So right now, that's her spot right here next to the desk. So if you might hear her talking, she's fine. She's just a talker. That's Cash. If you're new, that's Cash. And she just talks and talks and talks and talks. And she's awesome. But sometimes people get upset because sometimes her talking sounds distressed, and it's not, I assure you. So I just want to make sure I've got everything out of there. She's got a beautiful card. Look how cute this is. Linda, that is so pretty. I love the flowers. I went shopping this morning and got some flowers to decorate my home. I am so excited for fall. When Chuck gets back from his trip, the house is going to be decked out in fall. At least that's the plan. And ready to go from there. So I think he'll be excited too. So there we go. We've got some pretty card. Ooh, her ATC says, "Happy birthday, Tanya. So sorry I don't make cards." That's okay. She doesn't think she's ever been good at it, which I doubt. Hope you have tons of entries and celebrate your birthday. Hugs, Linda at Lenny P's Place. That's what it's called. Lenny P's Place. I knew it was something like that. I knew it was Lenny. I couldn't remember the rest. So thank you for that. I love the card. Don't worry about not making it yourself. You don't have to. North Carolina is where she is from. It is the Tar Heel state. What does that mean, Tar Heel? Their state flower is the flowering dogwood. And their statehood started November of 1789. Capital city is Raleigh. And the population is 10,146,788 people. The cardinal is their state bird. The dogwood. I love that. That's so pretty. And she left that blank for me. I'm not going to send it. I'm going to keep it, but love it. Thank you so much. And let's check out her ATC. It says, "Forever and always. Cherish memories forever and always." I'm going to take it out. Oh, cool. You put a lace on it. That helps cover the information in the back. Good. She made a little pocket in the back with lace. So this is her information. I'll pull that out and read it in just a second. It says, "Cherish memory." She's got this all layered up. She's got, I'm sorry, guys. She's got some, looks like probably some fabric in the background even. And then some lace over that. She's got some string and some pretty ruffle. And there's some sequins on there sewn on. And this beautiful lady is on the front of it. So pretty. Thank you so much. These cute little flowers. I love the colors, the combination that you used. Very pretty. And her information is, her name is Linda, and she's got her address. Her favorite colors are pink, white, cream. Her crafting style is vintage and shabby chic. And her YouTube is Lenny P's Place. And she's an August baby too. You just had a birthday on the 24th. Thank you, Linda. I think I knew that because that's why I joined your challenge. Happy birthday, Linda. I hope you had a great one. Thank you so much for participating. I'm going to turn this way so we can't see it. Thank you for your entry. This is beautiful. I love it all. And it's okay that you didn't make a card because it is just as special. Thank you for that. The next entry is going to be from Leanne. And Leanne is from Colorado. She's got some gorgeous sunflower stamps here. And some more cute stickers. I love that. And we're going to open this up. I'm going to open this the same way. She's got some cute washi tape back here too. You guys have been so sweet with your postcards and notes and all the things. And I love that I made this super simple because I don't have a lot of room for storage, so I don't need a lot of stuff. Sweet birthday wishes, it says. This is cute. Was this, no, I think this is, paper was like this. I was going to say, was this a paint chip or something? But no, the stick is, it was made like that. Isn't that cute? Super cute. She's got it all stacked up on this beautiful paper. Cute. And let's read it. It says, I have also enclosed my entry items for your birthday challenge. Happy birthday. Hope you have the happiest of birthdays. From Leanne. Thank you, Leanne. So let's see what we've got. Let's look at the postcard. And this is from Colorado. Big old C. And Chuck has lived there for quite some time, so I know a little bit about Colorado. And it says, Colorado's state flag was designed in 1911 by Andrew Carlisle Johnson. The colors of the flag were each chosen to represent one natural aspect inherent to Colorado. Snow-capped white mountains, clear blue skies, reddish-brown dirt, and golden yellow sun. That's pretty smart. Very cute. I love that. That's really pretty. Thank you for that. And then she made a ATC card. Look at this birthday cake. I would eat that. And the beautiful balloon and the cake stand. All glittery, super cute. It says happy time. It's all layered up. She's got quite a few layers on here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really cute. Okay, it says Leanne and Lulu Crafts, I think is how you say it. I have a channel but do not make videos. Okay, perfect. And her birthday was in April. She lives in Colorado. Favorite colors are red, ocean colors, sunset colors. She's a dog named Tabby, is a German Shepherd, and a cat named Loki. Chaos maker. I understand. Very cute. And thank you for letting me know about your animals. I love animals, you guys. You probably know that from my videos. But I want to thank both ladies for their entries. Let's go ahead and color their spaces in on the map. Oh, we've got 2 new spaces. Colorado, what was the first one? North Carolina. Did we have North Carolina? We have North Carolina. So that's our second North Carolina. Right? North Carolina. Okay, I don't need to color that one, but we do need to color in Colorado. Let's color in Colorado. Let's do it a sunset color. I already have like a red here, so let's do it like this color. So that's another state. You think we can get all these states within the next 2 weeks? We're going to use this chalkboard again when we start doing the card challenge. I think that would be a lot of fun. I really love this map. And it definitely shows us where we're all coming from. So make sure that you send your entries in. Those states that have multiple entries are going to have their own drawing. So the state that has the most. And if I have a tie for the most, because I have two in North Carolina, I have 2, I believe, in California. And there might be one more that has a duplicate. If that's the case and I have a tie, I'm going to put all of those together. So it'll be amongst those people. So like if I have 2 here and 2 here, I'm going to put all of those in one drawing and we'll have one winner. So I think that would be the fair way to go if we have a tie. So thank you, ladies, for your participation and for sending me your beautiful entries. I love them all. And I hope that the rest of you who are watching will be able to join in. And once again, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you guys more than you know. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.